Hello, this is video 1 of lesson 8.8 in your Algebra 1 book. We're in the chapter of learning to factor, and in our flow chart at this moment we're studying this area. This is where section 8.8 investigates, section 8.8 investigates. When you have a polynomial and you have checked for a greatest common factor and it isn't a binomial and it isn't a trinomial of this type, we try grouping. But before going to grouping, we have to review some ideas. The first idea is the distributive property. The distributive property comes in very handy when factoring. I mean, using the distributive property backwards. For example, we look at BA plus CA. The common factor here is the A. It looks like A was multiplied by C, and that's how we got CA, plus A was multiplied by B, and that's how we got BA. So that's what I mean by using the distributive property backwards. They give us the end result after you multiply the monomial by this binomial, and instead they give us the end result like that, and we have to find what was multiplied. Well, in this section, we like to investigate what happens if the common factor in your end result, if the common factor is a binomial instead of a monomial. If I substitute A by the binomial x minus 2, what will this look like? Well, it will look like B times, instead of A, B times x minus 2 plus C times x minus 2. So what should my end result, should this addition look like when factored? Well, the common factor is the binomial x minus 2. So what we end up with inside the other parentheses is what I multiplied times x minus 2 to obtain this sum, which is as x minus 2 times C plus x minus 2 times B. In example 1 of your book, they give you the instructions: factor out a common binomial. And this is the problem of example 1. Well, the common binomial that these two terms have is x plus 4. That's the common binomial. So we write it, we factor it out and leave one single set of parentheses to find what x plus 4 times what gave me this answer. So it was x plus 4 times negative 3 and x plus 4 times 2x. And that's how you factor how you factor out a common binomial. See, the common binomial x plus 4.